Hey guys, okay, so we're going to go over the four-square strategy. This is a strategy that has been modified from the Freire model, or for the Freire model strategy. And for our purposes today, we're going to do 5th grade science, and we're going to go ahead and do it over fossils. So with this strategy, it's fairly simple. I actually, you have to bear with me, I'm working with one hand. I actually prefer that the students go ahead and fold their paper in 4 squares. And I think that that is easier for them. So then they can draw their lines down the middle and then draw their line across. And then in each box, this is where we're going to add type, definition, characteristics, and then label what we are learning. And for my design, I went ahead and put a circle in the middle with the label fossils so that they can look back through their strategy notebook and see that this strategy is going to pertain to fossils. So here we have the type. So with this particular strategy, I'm just going to go ahead and go over the true form fossils. And this is a great strategy because they get to write this out. Not only do they get to read it, they get to see it, and they get to write it. Over here we're going to put a brief definition. So here we have fossils that are of the actual animal or animal part. Okay, so now we get our type, what we're looking at, the definition of that, and then some little characteristics that can come up with in your lesson. In this one, it's going to be bones, teeth, and claws, since these are all a part of the actual animal. So that means that they're going to be true form fossils. So here you can see that they can definitely make a connection. And this is a little fun square right here where we get to go ahead and just draw. And they can choose to draw whatever fossil they want. And on mine, I choose to draw a claw. And you'll have to forgive my drawing, but this is a picture of my fossil. And then I'm going to go ahead and label it. So I'm going to write down here claw, and it's a true form fossil. So here you can see we have all 4 connections. We not only get to read it, we get to draw it, we get to understand and make connections about our fossils. And actually in this one it's about the different types of fossils. So again, this is the 4 square strategy, and here's the sheet that I did for my presentation earlier. It's the 4 square strategy, and it is a modification of the Freire model. So have a good one. I hope this really helped, and maybe you'll use it in your science class.